Hello traders, today I'll show you how to trade using only phone, and I'll show you how to draw resistance and support levels, and we start our trading session. So, dear friends, here we are on the broker point option. We see this ideal version for phone, so I recommend you start trading from your phone. We see our balance when we immediately switch to broker settings. Click on these points and we can highlight this time frame 1 minute, and we can change it absolutely anything. You see 10 minutes, like a day, as you how convenient for you. Deal amount 1 minute. Deal amount $150 and 1 minute time frame. For consequence, we see up deal here, and we start analyzing our technical analysis. So these tools, we immediately highlight the area of resistance and also support area to highlight the general structure of our market. It's very important for new buys, traders, and for everyone. Please remember this. Technical analysis is the basis for us. And after that, we see general trend, upward seam, and it's stable. So I'll tell you and zoom it to more convenient. We see good volume of the candles. Yeah, we see this trades here in this corner, and 3 seconds left until the end. And what I was talking about, the candles are all green, so plus deal, we see our profit is $288 at the moment. Immediately after this, we can delete it, and we have absolutely no problems with this. It's pleasant. We see we have overcome our balance is $19,000. I mean, we have overcome the mark. We also see I demonstrate that we can trade both on cryptocurrency, on stocks like Apple, but I still prefer consequence. Let's move on to the second consequence. We see down deal here, and we use this, selecting the resistance area. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. And now we start our technical analysis on our phone. We highlight the support area. We have formed a small structure of the general market. Then we choose trend line. Our last trend, we see it's clearly going down. Downward trend towards the support area. In this direction, we opened our trade today. We see the market for fairly simple trade. We have quite easy trades. And we see in the last range we open deal time until 1 green candle we see after reaching the resistance level. No rollback. Yeah, we see plus deal. Our profit $288. My dear traders, and I want to remind you that all my deals is broadcast to my Telegram channel. So now I open a deal and it's automatically shown in my Telegram channel. The link in the description, it's my private Telegram channel. So this bonus, my Telegram channel, absolutely free. I remind you that the link is in the description. So we're moving on to the next concept, already third concept. And if you're interested for us to trade with stocks, let me see. And we highlight this. We can figure it out. By this we see, specifically in this case, the lowest points we see we have an upward trend. An upward trend. In simple words, we see that we can stretch. Yeah, most convenient tool, specifically buy a pocket option. That's why I love it. This is one of the best brokers. The situation here is also consolidation of this consolidation. We're going up, and let's take a little look at our chart. 3 seconds. Good. Brilliant. Last $288. In total, we see our balance $19,000. Good. So I hope everything is clear for you. Everything is very easy. There's nothing complicated. I remind you to open these drawings. For the concept, I'll demonstrate. Click on 3 dots in the upper screen. We open, meanwhile, down deal. And click just draw. So we see like some area of consolidation. I'll highlight it. Chart was kept plus or minus. We see different ones. I show pictures again, which is this general trend. And so to say, last reach after our consolidation, the trend went specifically downward and most likely will continue since the general support area. We have also overcome the support area for this consolidation, lower border along this. We see some by previous decline is shown. We're also successfully overcoming. Downward trend continues successfully. The fourth was closed and plus our profit is $288. So at the moment I'll complete the video. I'll finish this video. We see our balance. In this video I'll show you how to trade using just a phone, how to do some technical analysis, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.